طلعوني في الشمس عشان الحرق. والله ماني ناقص الكرسي.
Look around, folks. We're entering our movie studio. Just a few of our favorite films here at Universal. New facilities and sound stages. We're all, and then before that, it was home to. It is beautiful. You might rips off of the roof and of the musical where Annie finds Jimmy Fallon. Yo, Jimmy!
Hey everyone, welcome to New York. This is actually my old neighborhood. What's that mug over there?
الآن راح نشوف بعض اللقطات من كينج كونج.
Glasses on. If you remember, the one that Ron Weasley's dad hijinks. End of that car to do all the special effects. They needed a bunch of them. No, it's just what? It's just paint. Often our dinosaurs chew through their paint. Oh no! Oh, this is I didn't know it was gonna happen today. Dinosaurs on the loose.
روشوني والله مع الكاميرا. كيف الشوار بالله.
Sorry guys, didn't mean to apologize. This vehicle being made out.
احنا الآن دخلنا حديقة الديناصورات حق جوراسيك بارك. أعطانا سفلة على الدشة. واو. مطر يا شباب.
Hey guys. Oh no, too late. We got a flash flood. Take the. Oh wow. Where is all that water coming from? Ooh. Sorry, car one. TV blue. Oh, look up on your screens. Here's Big Fat. Welcome to San Francisco. I would imagine they use that sign to tell the audience where they are. You can do a close up. Okay, wow. Well, these things can't get any worse, am I right? No? Okay.
No, shower, لا 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 والله يا شباب حتى النار حس حرارتها والمويه قربت من العيال.
Tommy, I'm terrified. Will you take us somewhere safe to hide? Okay, good. Yeah, right behind these cans of gasoline. That's the perfect spot. Okay, sharks like to eat their food raw. We're about to be totally cooked. We'll be too well done. Oh no, look out! Oh no!
What? يعني يكفي انه حر برا في الشمس اللي تحرقنا برا.
Scary at all. Request they did a reshoot where they shot. But before he was scoring film, he was scoring right now Williams Way. It's named after the great John Williams.
دمار وحل.
Is a real airplane. That's a 747 Boeing airplane. Now this plane is pretty old. It was bought from an airline graveyard after it was too old to fly.
الطيارة هذه جدا قديمة لدرجة انه ما فيها شاشات، وكان الشاشات او في المقاعد حاطين طفايات دخان من كثر ما ان الطائرة جدا قديمة. يعني هي طيارة حقيقية لكن اشتروها من تسليح حق الطيارات بعد ما انتهت خدمتها.
This is the race day after party. First of all, I don't work for you. I'm working for you. We don't work for nobody. Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you won't get fried!
This is our turn. Missile shot. Not gonna happen.
أخيراً رايد ساعة. مع السلامة. حتى العربيات لها مواقف مخصصة. عمر يدور البراد. والله أحلى شيء في المكان هذا. يلا الآن داخلين عرض إن شاء الله راح يبدأ بعد تقريباً 5 دقائق. والله فل. واو. شوفوا الحضور الغفير من على اليسار لليمين. إن شاء الله إنه يكون عرض ممتع. طيب تحسب للعرض هذا نقطة لأننا في مكان ما فيه شمس. آثار الشمس حق الظهر.
Today we're gonna behind the scenes look at how we make movie magic. That speed comes to life. It creates a magical world. Universal Studios have been making movies at this very location for over 100 years. And in that time, we've turned out some of the most memorable film moments in the history of Hollywood.
Now, from the very beginning, the basic concept of the filmmaking process has remained the same: to make the audience believe that everything they are seeing is real. In 1999, Universal relaunched The Mummy, and that big Sphinx you're seeing from the opening up there is this little Sphinx right here. This is the actual model that was used in the making of the film, and I gotta tell you, the details here are incredible.
Another filmmaking technique that we use to fool the camera is called the glass mat. Only the fire and the parking lot were real. Everything else was hand-painted onto a single sheet of glass that was then dropped in front of the camera to create the effect. Folks, give it up for a special effects show stunt department!
Yeah! How come we don't get a cool entrance like that?
Because we're wearing fancy pants. Ready and action! Outstanding work! I love it!
Your booth, we good to go? All right, let's roll sound. Speed. Action. And cut. Give him a hand, my beautiful family.
Nicely done, fam. Thunder Buddy's for life. Look at that, Shannon. You made a Thunder Buddy.
نايس هذا. يا سلام على المكان بارد وجديد.
Okay, just be still. Don't say any more words. Dynamite, I want a bigger boom. You didn't hear it. Anyway, yes, you will be turned into minions.
جاهزين نصير مليون.
I'm already a minion. It appears. I'm naming names.
Yeah, and no way will he shoot you with a fart gun.
Oh no.
لا 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 يا شيخ. اي والله ريحته موز.
ريحة عرف موز قال بطاط صح؟
تصير مينيونز معانا. تصير مينيونز معانا. ايش رايك محمد بالقطع؟ جينا التيشيرتات عرفتوها هذيك اللي كذا تطلع تمسك. هي والله اكتشفنا ان العالم لسه ما خلص. نازلين تحت الان وفي عالم جديد، في 3 العاب راح ندخلها ان شاء الله. الجهه هذه كلها فيها حوالي 3 العاب بنروح لها ان شاء الله. الان دخلنا الاهرامات بعد انتظار طويل. اللعبه خربت ما ادري ايش السبب، بس الحمد لله تصلحت والحين نقدر ندخل اللعبه. جاهزين يا شباب؟ فينك محمد صلاح؟ هلا والله بالعيد. والله بعد اللعبة هذه رجع الحماس والنشاط مرة أخرى. صراحة اللعبة رجتنا وبعدين تروح وترجع. صراحة مرة خطيرة والله. شكرا يا مصر، شكرا يا مصر. هذه آخر لعبة خلاص. الأكيد راح نتروج كيف ما ندري، لكن الآن راح نشوف المويه كيف بتغرقنا. أعطينا كذا شاور الوداع. هل هذا الكلام صحيح؟ بدينا استهبال مرة ما نغشنا على اليمين فوق. لا تكفى لا
In a moment, you will be entering Predator Cove.
يا عيال جينا وقت الغروب وقت بارد. وبكذا وصلنا لنهاية الفلوج. لا تنسون تدعمونا من لايك والشير وسبسكرايب، ولا تنسون تفعلون جرس التنبيه عشان يوصلكم كل جديد. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
صور اللي فوقنا.